What's up, everybody? It's Ryan here. Today we're diving deep into the future of AI and breaking down the top 5 ways you can cash in with AI in 2025. Ready to become AI millionaires? Let's do it! First up, AI-powered content creation. Imagine having a tool that can generate high-quality content at the click of a button. Imagine cranking out blog posts, YouTube scripts, and social media posts in minutes. With AI, you can streamline your content strategy and focus on what truly matters. AI tools can write scripts, edit videos, and generate voiceovers while you watch the cash roll in. These tools are designed to save you time and effort, making your workflow more efficient. No more writer's block or hours spent editing. AI does the heavy lifting. You can now focus on creativity and strategy, leaving the mundane tasks to AI. This is happening right now, and by 2025 it's going to be even bigger. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Next, e-commerce. The landscape of online selling is evolving rapidly. AI will revolutionize how you sell online. It's not just a trend, it's the future of e-commerce. Imagine AI telling you exactly what to sell, when, and to whom. This precision can significantly boost your sales. AI-powered product recommendations and real-time inventory optimization will be game changers. They ensure you never miss a sales opportunity. Plus, AI chatbots can handle customer service 24/7, leading to happier customers and more sales. They provide instant responses and personalized assistance. By 2025, if you're not using AI in e-commerce, you'll be left behind. Embrace AI now to stay ahead of the competition. Let's talk about AI in healthcare. AI can analyze massive medical data to predict diseases before they happen, leading to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatments. With AI-powered telemedicine, people can access top doctors from anywhere. How can you profit? Develop AI healthcare apps, personalized treatment plans, and remote patient monitoring services. The possibilities are endless. Who wants to be a Wall Street wizard? AI algorithms can analyze market trends, predict stock prices, and make investment decisions with lightning speed and accuracy. AI-powered trading platforms make it easier than ever to invest like a pro. But remember, always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Last but not least, AI in education. It's revolutionizing the way we teach and learn. We're talking about personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. AI can analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses, providing customized lessons that help them excel. Imagine AI tutors available 24/7, providing instant feedback and support. These AI tutors can answer questions, offer explanations, and even help with homework, making learning more accessible and efficient. Create online courses powered by AI that adapt to each student's progress. These courses can adjust the difficulty level and content based on how well the student is doing, ensuring they are always challenged but never overwhelmed. Develop AI-powered tutoring platforms, connecting students with expert tutors. These platforms can match students with the best tutors for their needs, making high-quality education more accessible to everyone. The demand for online education is exploding, and AI is at the forefront. With AI, we can offer more engaging and effective online learning experiences that cater to a diverse range of students. Whether you're a teacher or just passionate about education, AI offers incredible opportunities to make money while making a real difference. By integrating AI into your teaching methods, you can enhance learning outcomes and create a more dynamic educational environment. Boom, there you have it. 5 ways AI can help you make bank in 2025 and beyond. The future belongs to those who embrace AI. Start learning, start experimenting, and get ready to ride the AI revolution. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Peace out.